Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just want to let all our members know about our special draw, our membership draw for October, for any repair solution that you might share with us, or any good scope scan data that you may upload onto the website. So anyone that does that during the month of October goes into the draw. Again, a big thank you to Burson's Equipment for this fantastic AUTEL battery tester. So it's the touchscreen battery electrical system tester. So it does all the basic batteries, charging systems, 12 and 24 volt batteries up to big CCAs. It's all touchscreen, so it's a clamp in here, clamp it to your battery, plug it into this one, and then away you go. So a great bit of gear for those electrical testing, for batteries, charging systems, cranking voltages, etc. A great bit of kit. Something you should be doing on every single car that comes in your workshop is basically checking that electrical system, including the battery. And this is a great bit of gear with a printout straight away. You can print that off and give it to your customer. So for any member that puts in any repair solution or any good scope scan data during the month of October, goes into this draw for this fantastic bit of equipment. Again, big thank you to Burson's Equipment for that. Look forward to seeing all your entries in, and we'll see you later in the month to do the draw. See you next time.